Why a smile is important? Because the happiness of a person is hidden within a smile. When you are freed from chaos of the city and wandering in the villages of Thrace, when you play with children like a child, feed friends with your hand, drink a steeped tea, buy a Turkish bagel, hug a person you don't even know, that smile will appear on your face. You'll both love being with people and being by yourself. Sometimes you'll just listen to the sounds of nature and entertain yourself. You'll take a good rest. You'll dance as much as you want and sing too. Sometimes you'll just listen to the sound of waves and wake up to a spring-smelling new day. You'll enjoy many smiling people. Thrace is just by the side of Istanbul. Welcome to Thrace.